Hey tubers, a little help here. I purchased this 2021 Ram Promaster 2500 used. And here's my question. Can you tell me what is this on the roof? It's a little black button, but I have no idea what it is. Let me see if I can get a better shot of it. Okay, I'm up close to it now, and I gotta tell you, it's nothing but a plastic cap or something, I guess, but there's nothing here. That's the only thing I see out of the ordinary on the roof of this van. The rest of it's empty. You got the little brackets here, of course, for a rack, but right there above the marker lights, if anybody can tell me what this is, I would really appreciate it.